Have the patient blow her nose into a tissue to clear excess secretions from the nasal passages. Tilt the patient's head back slightly so that the nasal passages become more accessible. Instruct the patient to close her eyes to lessen the mild discomfort of the procedure. Gently insert the swab along the nasal septum just above the floor of the nasal passage to the nasopharynx until resistance is felt. Rotate the swab gently against the nasopharyngeal mucosa for 10 to 15 seconds. Gently remove the swab and place it into its container.